Hey guys, Paneer Khurchan. Khurchan means literally scraping it out. Now, this recipe is very simple, beautiful. Onions, capsicum, tomatoes, garam masala, kitchen king, and cream. That's all you need. Simple. Now, obviously, because the spices are very essential in this recipe, in the Paneer Khurchan, the choice is to use the best spices which are available. And no doubts, that's the reason why I love using Emami Mantra spices. Now, they have these amazing spices on their own, red chilli, turmeric, the works. But what I love is their ready-made blends. Okay, great quality, perfect sourcing, and the balance of the recipes, the ratios of the spices gives my dishes that upper edge, and that's the reason you are watching me right now. Okay, remember, input is equal to output. So I have some onions, I have some tomatoes, I have some paneer, which is our star ingredient, but our star are my Emami Mantra Kitchen King. You know why it's called Kitchen King? Because it's the king of the kitchen. It's got like some spices and the combination. Sometimes you can just cook with this. If you have onions, ginger, garlic and Kitchen King, but I have cooked for parties like this before in the past. Now I have a slightly different way where I do my khurchan. Now when it is with like a chicken khurchan or a duck khurchan which I have in my restaurant in Gurgaon, the process is different. Now paneer, because of its delicate flavor, I try to process it in a different way. Now in this recipe, I love to use green capsicum because this recipe जो है Paneer Khurchan is originally North India के ढाबे की recipe है. So a lot of the times अगर आप जाएंगे ढाबे पे, you might not even find red bell peppers, yellow bell peppers. अगर आपके पास है great, तुसी great हो. I can also get them, but the reason why I like to use the green bell peppers is because of the color contrast, and that's what it is. Okay, so I've got my capsicum here. Perfect. I like to go a little heavy on the capsicum. तो पनीर के लिए मैं एक अलग सा ही प्रोसेस करता हूँ. पनीर इज हियर. पहले हम इसमें सॉल्ट डालते हैं. ओके, just salt at the moment, and then I'm going to be adding Emami Mantra Kitchen King into this. Okay, so I'm going to put a teaspoon of this masala. Okay, going into about 150 grams of paneer. तो perfect. तो ये डाल दिए. थोड़ी सी हम इसमें नमक भी छिड़क लेते हैं. Okay, so I have Kitchen King Masala, which is a brilliant blend, I would say a symphony of spices. Coming from North India, Dhaba, Punjab, and my love for kachchi ghani mustard oil. It's like, doesn't stop. I mean, people ask me, Vicky, why don't you use olive oil in this recipe? I said, sure thing, you can use what you want. But in this recipe, there are certain things, boss, मैं मानता हूँ that most of the time आपको aesthetics के साथ चलना चाहिए. Okay, तो ये that lovely fragrance, I mean, oh, it's delicious, man. Wow. तो अभी हमारा mustard oil is almost, you got to smoke it a little bit. I'm going to be adding some lovely jeera here. Nice, lovely. And then अब मैंने ये पूरा पीस पनीर ले लिया है. हल्का सा नमक एंड किचन किंग के साथ हमने मैरिनेशन कर दी है. नेक्स्ट अभी हम इसमें डाल देते हैं. ओके, नाउ रीजन मैं पहले इसको फ्राई कर रहा हूँ इज बिकॉज आई ऑलरेडी वांट टू गेट अ नाइस कुरचन फील ऑल ओवर द पनीर. ओके, मैं उल्टा करता हूँ एक्चुअली. इसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे उसको, आई एम गोइंग टू कलर देम रियली नाइसली ऑन ऑल द साइड्स. लाइक नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू बी flipping it just like this. So क्या हो रहा है कि I am already getting my kurchan. उसके बाद हम इसको काटेंगे, काटने के बाद वापस इसे डालेंगे. So then we will do the kurchan for the inside. Beautiful. अभी ये देखिए, look at this amazing color. Now in the same oil, I'm going to be starting with the onions, a bit of the bell peppers. Nice, lovely. और अभी ये पनीर को हम, ये देखो कुर्चन आ रही है on the side. You can lovely see the kurchan. And I'm going to rest it over here. अभी हम इसे, अभी हम कुर्चन का मसाला यानी कि अनियंस, टमाटो, कैप्सिकम का कर लेते हैं. So we have our onions and bell peppers here going really well. इसके बाद हम डालेंगे इसमें अदरक और लहसुन की पेस्ट. ओके, अभी इसमें डालेंगे our tomatoes. Beautiful. Amazing. तो अभी हम इसको अच्छी तरह भून लेते हैं. ओके, literally we don't want to stir this too much. We want this also to get a little kurchanified, if I can use that word. Okay, so I've got a little bit of kitchen king in here, about 1 teaspoon of kitchen king. I'm also using Emami Mantra Garam Masala, which is another level of Garam Masala, about half a teaspoon I would say maximum. That's all you need here. And then we continue this magic. Lovely. Now I'm just going to let this sit for some time so it gets a little caramelization at the bottom. Okay, तो ये अभी थोड़ी सी cool हो गई है. It's got a very nice crust, nice kurchan. अभी मैं इसको ऐसे स्ट्रिप्स में काट देता हूँ. ओके, ब्यूटिफुल. नेक्स्ट, the kurchanization has started to happen now. Amazing. अभी हम डालेंगे इसमें थोड़ी सी नमक स्वाद अनुसार. Beautiful. Some slit green chillies also going in here. Remember, ढाबे की डिश है भैया. A little bit of kasuri methi. Beautiful. Nicely scraping the kurchan, giving that beautiful flavor. और believe me, ये non-stick में तो नहीं बनेगी आपकी. Okay, you need that little kurchan, you need that thing cutting, you need the paneer to go a little crumbly sometimes. So what I'll do here is I'm going to be adding my paneer here. I'm going to be adding just a little touch of thoda sa, literally 1 teaspoon of a little mustard oil on the side, and I'm going to be doing my karan. Now I'm using a very nice lovely malai paneer. We have to be a little careful with that. Okay, they might break, but it's no big deal. Okay, normally लोग deep fry करते हैं तो they get firm, but I'm not doing that. I'm doing a very honest version of the kurchan. Okay, तो अभी हम इसे हल्का सा टर्न कर लेते हैं. बहुत अच्छी सी खुरचन आई है हमारी. वाव, अमेजिंग, ब्यूटिफुल. और हमारी पनीर खुरचन इज रेडी. So some lovely fresh धनिया, वो तो बनता ही है बॉस. और फिर it's a very typical thing. A lot of the dishes in North Indian cooking are garnished with fresh ginger. Okay, it gives a very robust flavor. It's almost like a mouth freshener, literally a mouth cleanser for you before you start eating. And the punch from ginger is something else. And also it's available everywhere. Okay, so we do a bit of some julienne of ginger on the top. Okay, a little more. And then halka sa neebu ka ras. Now there is an option which I was told, okay. Now North India mein dhaba, the food is really heavy. As in heavy means tasty heavy. So what they do sometimes in the khurchan, I have heard that you can actually ask for a very creamy kind of khurchan. Now I don't really believe in that. So what I do is, as a part of my garnish, and I do it with my duck khurchan at Omni at my restaurant, is I take a little bit of cream, okay, and then I literally finish my khurchan with that. Look how lovely it is, lovely, beautiful. So our Paneer Khurchan is ready. This Paneer Khurchan is not just dhaba food. It's an elevation of comfort and soul food right here. From the kachchi ghani mustard oil to this malai paneer and the most immaculate spices from Emami Mantra, the kitchen king, and the garam masala have been prepared by the cryo technology, where they take the best quality ingredients, gauge a beautiful recipe and pressed in a cold temperature. You can't get better than that. Zarur like karna, subscribe karna और खा लेना. See you soon.